To link your account to MetaTrader 5, start by opening a demo account. Note that even if you plan to use a real account, you will still need to create a demo account first, as this is a required step in the process. After creating your demo account, you can then proceed to create a real money account. Once you have completed this step, you can connect your account to MetaTrader 5. To do this, download MetaTrader 5 on your preferred device. Whether it's a Windows, Mac, or mobile phone, open MetaTrader 5, then click on File in the top left corner, and select Open an Account. Search for the company name, and choose the correct option from the list. You will then be given two options. Connect your demo account to trade with virtual money, or open a real account for live trading. If you already have an account, simply log in with your details. Select the correct server, and click Finish to complete the connection. If you don't have an account, you can open a real account for live trading directly from MetaTrader 5. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully link your account to MetaTrader 5.